So many workshops, so many skills to learn. Where should you start? By the end of this video, you should be equipped with the one most essential skills one should have to achieve greater heights in life. Hi, I'm Jason, wishing you another good day. No matter what your goals are, you must first be equipped with these skills before any other skills. Especially when changes are so fast nowadays. We have to learn, unlearn and relearn at a much faster pace. So are you fit enough? Can you catch up? In order to catch up, you must first increase your learning abilities. So let me share with you that 4 methods that are proven to increase one's learning ability so that you, if you practice it, you will learn to understand things faster, better and deeper. First, put aside all your past experience when you acquire new information and knowledge. Don't be limited by them. What you apply in the past years may not be as effective today given the environment, the mentality and the technology. There are many possibilities that can help you achieve your goals faster and easier. In short, don't be stubborn. Number 2, be active. Experiment and practice with your newly acquired information. Knowing is not enough. You have to put them to practice and convert them to knowledge. Use them to your advantage. You have to start somewhere. Don't be disappointed if things don't work out in the beginning. There's a saying, every master was once a disaster. You have to start somewhere. Every small steps matters. Nobody starts from the top, so let's work our way up together. Number 3, be curious about everything. Ask questions. What are the difference between the new method compared to yours? What are the components that make it effective? How can you apply them? Where can you apply them to make it work for you? Number 4, share. Yes, you heard it right. Share your knowledge with people who have similar visions and goals as you. Listen to them. See how they react and evaluate their feedback. Cross-check their experience with your understanding. Share with people who care and wants you to be successful. Tell them what you have discovered and analyze your learning together with them to get affirmation. So there you go. Practice these 4 steps whenever you acquire new methods and information, and you should be able to apply them effectively. You should also be able to understand things deeper and better, therefore making it easier for you to apply them. Subscribe to our channel to get more tips and formulas that will help you to achieve your goals better and easier. Follow our Facebook page for live session and discussion and updates on our upcoming workshop where we can gather together and learn how to become better.